Hello, fellow translators and freelancers and everyone else who's watching this. Hello. I have a question for you guys because I know it's been a while now that I've really been meaning to do a live chat and kind of like a live Q&A, and I haven't been able to do that just because I've been busy doing all this other stuff that I'm doing. That if you're watching my videos, you know, between the course on reading books and the certification and this, that, and the other. Anyway. And what little work I still have trickling through. But I would still like to do it. So I've been thinking about something. YouTube recently sent me a message that they've had it for a while, but they just let me know recently about memberships. And you can do these membership things where people pay a nominal fee, like I can't remember what it is, $1.95. There are different levels. $1.95 a month. One was $4.95 a month, and another one went up to like $24.95 a month or something like that. So I was thinking of offering maybe these levels as a way to gauge interest. So like I was thinking of doing something like $1.95 a month, and if people are interested in paying $1.95 a month, like if I know there are enough serious people who are interested in something like a live Q&A where I stay, I just make myself available, say for an hour, and we're just chatting back and forth, and you guys can ask whatever questions, and then I answer them. I think that could be something interesting, something useful. So let me know if you think this could be something useful. There are various things I've been kind of sort of brainstorming, and please let me know if you can think of something else. But other things I've been thinking of doing is with these membership levels is I could, offer a live chat with questions. I could offer discounts whenever they become available. I've mentioned before on the limitations, but I try to do discount offers on any of my products that are out there. They offer badges based on how long you are a member, and custom emojis, so I can offer that. Anytime you comment or do anything, you get all those. And then I was thinking, for people who do the highest one, I guess the $24.95 a month or whatever it is, there I could offer something like a 15-minute Skype call, just one-on-one, where you come with whatever questions you have and I provide you with whatever answers. So basically the one-on-one consulting, I'd be doing it for 15 minutes. So yeah, that's pretty much what I've been thinking of so far. And let me know, please let me know if that's something you think could be interesting, and anything else you think will be interesting to pay for. Because I want to do it for people who are serious about it and who are interested, and that's the main thing. And I've mentioned the reasons for that before. But I don't want to be wasting my time and trying to do research and trying to give my time and give serious answers for people who are just thinking about stuff but not taking it seriously. So please let me know if that's something that interests you and if something you think is worth doing. And yeah, I can set something like that up. I could also set up a community sort of for the members and try to see if we can do more there, because I've always tried to do something like that, like have the viewers here and people become more of a community and talk to each other, and maybe it's something we could do that could be interesting in that sense. But yeah, I just wanted to bring it up as a possibility, and maybe I'll try setting it up. And once again, if there's no interest, then that's fine, at least I know. And if there is an interest, then we can proceed that way. And obviously, if you don't have an interest, you'd still get these videos that I'm still bringing you, so there you go. And that's pretty much it. And so please feel free to give me any feedback you might have. And otherwise, I will get back to you next time. Thanks. Bye. Savedum.